Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to fix Uber Eats promo code error. So if you're getting this error whenever you're using the Uber Eats promo codes, when you're trying the promo codes. So some of the basic things that you can do to fix it. For example, what you can do, you can simply open up your Uber Eats app settings. So go to your app settings and then open up your app information here. So under app info, what you can do, go to your storage option here and then try to clear your cache and data. So try to clear both your cache and then your data, and then come back to it. Under app info again, there will be an option called force stop. So try to force stop the app. So once you have done this, then what you can do, try to relaunch your app. So try to relaunch your app, and this should most probably fix up the issue. And if it doesn't, then there is another option. Just go and see if there is an update on your, or there's an update on Play Store for your Uber Eats, and if there is an update, just reinstall it and that would fix the issue. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.